Nakuru is only known for drinking beer and party. But now we as artists, we're actually trying to show them it's not all about the clubbing, but it's all about. So karibuni sana wakaji wa Nakuru. Sisi tunajulikana kama a team that is called Support on Alive hashtag. Na this hashtag ni community yetu tuna create ya kusapotiana saizi tuko hai. Na ndio maana tuko na event ya on 25th. Na kila mwezi tutakuwa tunaita wasanii kutoka Nakuru, Mombasa, Kisumu, Kenya mzima hapa Nakuru Players Theatre ndio waweze kusupport wasanii wenzao. Hapa wasanii wanafanya original music and again tutasema tuna push hii community inaitwa Support When Alive. Tusapotiane sasa, sio wakati mtu anaaga dunia ndio tunakimbia kusema tutamshikilia ngisha ya yes. Na maybe ndio maana tunasema tuna represent all categories, tuna represent ladies, gender, tuna represent pia PWDs, pia tuna represent anyone who has an interest to come and support, invest, partner with us. We welcome you so that we can change this story kwa hii community yetu by helping the young community to change and to start talking about mental health. Kwa sababu bila support the mental health inapanda juu. Sijui kama my team players you have anything to say? Maybe you can start with our admin. Maybe you can say something. All right.
So as producer amesema ndio Support on Alive. Sasa sisi ongeza more on what he has said, but we would like kukuje show muone like what the performance will do. I am the administrator for the show. I'm the one who checks on the rehearsals and stuff. Yeah, but welcome to the show. Yeah, mkuje to support.
Maybe other team players.
Oh, hi, I'm Mercy Lingerasi, the welfare coordinator. I always make sure that kila mtu ako sorted in terms of huku kwa tumbo. Yeah, and
muhimu.
Yeah, ni muhimu sana. So vile producer amesema manze, this is just the beginning. We are aiming for higher. Yes, that's all.
Correct. Perfect. Yes. So mic ya nyumbani kuna kamera mingi hapa hivi. So I go by the name Martin aka MC Mato. I'm the stage manager of the show. Basically what I do is ensure that the show is running in terms of technicalities, light, sound, and making sure people are comfortable backstage. What I can simply say is invite you for the show. Yeah, come experience the show, come experience live music, come experience original music, supported by our executive producer here. And Jibambe, we are talking about mental health and come support when alive. Kuja support tuko uhai. Usingoje venye producer amesema tumeenda ndio unaanza kutokea. Sasa hivi wetu tuko uhai na wasanii wako uhai, kuja tu support na tutanice. Au sio?
Very true. And finally, ningependa kuambia kwa the international communities, as I'll speak in English, I would say that we are having an event every month here at Nakuru Players Theatre with an intention of supporting each creative. I mean, we have a hashtag that has been happening. It's called hashtag Support When Alive. Reason for this hashtag is that we are creating a community that will be supporting each other during different events. And we are not only talking about artists, but even businessmen, even creatives in all sectors. And that's why this event is all about supporting each other now when we are alive. And we are here and we are powered by a number of institutions like Nakuru Players Theatre, the space that is actually giving us this space, sound, lights, so that we can talk about this conversation. Thank you to our partners that have been coming on board, from UNK TV, from Live Probe, from actually Nakuru Players Theatre, the production team, Ajira Productions, even other members that are coming on board. We are ticket based. We are saying thank you for actually believing in our vision and our dreams, and we're inviting more and more of you to come on board, partner with us, invest with us, even the county government. We are appreciating so that we can talk more about mental health in supporting When Alive. So thank you, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you for media houses for coming here. We are praying that we'll have more of you spread this conversation to support each other now when we are alive. Lastly, we'd love to say from our team player, from chairman of PWDs in Nakuru County, Bwana Chris, tuambie, what would you say about this?
My name is Chris Arum, na venye Melissa amesema we are the future stars of tomorrow, na venye producer amesema for business people, come. This is a good opportunity to show your ideas and let's uplift our economy as a country. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Any question, Media House, do you have any question?
Okay, I'm Theo from Love of Theo.
You love from Theo, okay.
Love of Theo.
Love of Theo, okay.
Yes, channel, YouTube channel.
Okay.
Now my question is, you have organized this event monthly. Is there a specific day or a specific week that you are doing this, or is it probably just any time of the day you program the way
Okay.
the admin might say?
Okay.
Organizers will do.
All right. We'll be having the first show every first Sunday of the month, where we'll be having like a master class, talking about things in terms of entertainment, how it's happening. Then at the last Wednesday of the month, we'll be having now a main concert of what we learned before, so that it's easy even for our audience. Those who did not come for the master class, they can come for the main concert, and those who love entertainment, they would learn what's happening and come and watch the performances. Yes.
Okay. Again, there's this issue of, I mean, who are you targeting? Probably who is to come? Is it art? You have just said art, musicians. Is it producers? Is it acrobats? Is it just try to elaborate on that?
Our main, we're actually inviting Nakuru County as general, because Nakuru is holding a variety of business people, from arts, from businesses, from even construction and all that. So our main is we are trying to give them a space where they can come and listen and start even appreciating different arts. Something people don't know, in all our businesses in this country, or even in the world, they have about 5% that's something that should be done to the CSR. Any business, whether it's a construction business, whether it's any business, hata kama ni ya kufua pale nje, wanafaa kuwa na 5% yenye inafaa kwenda kwa CSR. So sisi ndio tunataka kuambia, kwa hiyo small percentage that you have in whatever business you have, you need to start investing back in your community, and that's why we are having this show called Supporting a Life. Yeah.
Where do you get the tickets for the show and how much?
The tickets will be actually varying, but we are having in partnership with Ticket Base in Nakuru. So this community is where we are trying to grow a community where we can be going to online ticketing for smooth and easy operation. So currently we are using a pay bill where we can actually find us here. Any other media house have a question?
So what is the vision for Nakuru Left State? Where do you want it to get? And where is it now?
Thank you very much, Nakuru Watch. Our vision for Nakuru Place Theatre to be a hub where creatives will actually be coming from high schools, from colleges, from universities. Even parents can actually be bringing their kids to come and have a great time here. And our intention is, come, let's have a great time here, see what Nakuru Place Theatre offers in terms of music, in terms of performing, in terms of acrobats, in terms of arts, dances, film, acting, anything. Nakuru Place Theatre offers all that. So yes, the future of Nakuru Place Theatre is very bright, with us as young teenagers creating the space for each and every one of us. Yeah.
So anyone can come.
Yes.
As long as they're talented.
As long as you have a vision, interest for arts, and you're talented, you're welcome. We have professional directors in this space that are actually going to train you. We have our admin, All Grace, she does in terms of communication, public planning. So she'll guide even the creatives how to start teaching yourself how to plan yourself. Mercy does mambo na welfare. It's all about how do you handle your artists, your guests to feel accommodated. We have Mr. Martin. Martin does backstage and stage managing. So it means even him, in terms of production, performances, people will understand how to handle their stage when they're doing things. Yes. So ideally for me, it's just to exchange ideas with my team players in terms of producing the show and how to make it more professional. So that's why purpose for this press briefing is to have all you guys talk about how professional we are going as Nakuru Place Theatre. Thank you.
Maybe for the investors, or if somebody wanted to give in any way, what is one of the things you'd like to come through from you?
For the show, we would love to invite our partners, investors, collaborators to understand first and foremost, the community always becomes more successful when you involve the teenagers and the youths. And that's why when you have people like us, we'll help you to push your production to the next level. When you have a company that needs marketing, the team is here. When you need a company that needs in terms of welfare, involving the community, we are here. And that's why we are saying for any partners, investors, anyone who is interested to venture with us, come. We have our office at Nakuru Place Zeta. We'll actually tell you more of how we can partner together. Yes.
Okay, there's this question I normally ask people when I meet people like this. What is your view or your perception, or just you? How do you think the Nakuru entertainment industry is heading to? The state of the Nakuru entertainment industry.
For the state of the entertainment in Nakuru Place, in Nakuru County, it's actually growing, and it's becoming a best hub for even new people are coming in. We have discovered guys are coming from Mombasa, Kisumu, even Nairobi to come and start putting their foot on ground here in Nakuru. Meaning Nakuru is growing, and that's why we're involving more of the county government to actually partner with creatives so that the entertainment scene in Nakuru can actually change. Nakuru is only known for drinking beer and party. But now we as artists, we're actually trying to show them it's not all about the clubbing, but it's all about coming and start appreciating in terms of arts, sort of stage performances, in terms of even having films, movies. We are showcasing movies. So we are bringing more value away from just the normal dynamics ya kwenda to clubs na kujibamba. Yes.
Why should people come on the 25th?
25th, they're welcome because we are going to appreciate 3 young artists in Nakuru. And from there, again, we are talking about mental health with our partners like PDO Kenya. And as the time goes on, we are requesting the media house to come because the experience will be amazing. As you pay your entrance, you're going to have a beautiful snack. We are treating everybody like a VIPs. And at the end of the day, we are making sure that we are bringing this professionalism to another level. And that's why we are starting small. Expectation yetu ni kidogo sana. As time goes by, tutajaza hii kiwanja Nakuru Players, na by the end of the year tutaenda pale NSC kufunga mwaka. Yes. Thank you very much for coming, and for more, find us at Nakuru Place Theatre. Asanteni sana. Asanteni sana.
Naweza tuma salamu nyumbani. Ningetaka kuinvite wasanii wote ambao wapo Nakuru. Tukianza na Ajira Theatre Production. Asante sana mkurugenzi Manu pale nyuma ya mic. So ningetaka kuinvite wasanii wote wa Nakuru. Tukianza na Ajira Theatre Production, My Family, Rift Theatre Production, Amazon, Stars, Skynet. Yani team zote kujeni muwatch show mazi. Mamangu pia kama utaweza kuona hivi. Hawachiki hizi channel za kizungu sana, lakini najua itakupata one way or another. Kuja show, tafadhali kuja show. Hata nyinyi wazazi wenyu wanafaa kuja show. Invite watu.
Yes. Oh yes. Yeah.
Watu kutoka huko mashinani, mkuje show.
Mawanga
huko kwa dance.
MC Meso especially from Mawanga.
It's going to be big and it's going to be amazing.
Yeah, the Duke of Mawanga.
All right.
Sasa nitakaribisha watu wa Shabe.
Oh yeah.
Mkuje muwatch show, mmekaribishwa. Sasa familia ni kama mmewachigi sana, karibuni show.
Tunaweza patia Chris pia. Una welcome nani Chris?
Mimi nina welcome watu wote kutoka Kisumu Dala.
Hapo sasa.
Kuja muone Bine.
Watu wa Kiamunyi unawaambia aje?
Wakuje. This is the place.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. So asanteni sana, and thank you very much for coming for this press briefing. Asanteni.